In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a bootable USB external eraser for erasing entire hard drives with the automatic wiping configuration. Before you throw away a computer or repurpose a hard drive, you must be sure there are no traces of your data left behind. BCWipe Total WipeOut is a software tool for erasing entire hard drives. It securely wipes all the contents of your hard drive, so none of the data can be forensically recovered. Open BCWipe Total WipeOut Configuration Wizard. Here we will select the bootable USB drive option. Select the USB and click Next. Select Automatic Mode. Check the box Next to change the default wiping settings in the next step of the wizard. And click Next. BCWipe Total WipeOut offers 20 different wiping schemes. Select a wiping scheme. BCWipe Total WipeOut supports HPA, DCO, and ATA erase commands. Select the desired options and click Next. BCWipe Total WipeOut allows you to create log files of the wiping jobs. Check Write Log File to Removable USB and click Next. Review the summary of the settings and click Create. The USB is now ready for wiping. Boot the system with this USB to start the automatic wiping process. Congratulations! You have now learned how to prepare a wiping USB external eraser in automatic mode. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.